Bennie Master's lecture The Law of Cause and Effect in Abstaining from Stealing. Dear Dharma friends, greetings of auspiciousness to you all. Today, we gather by the grace of affinity to explore the law of cause and effect in Buddhism, particularly the profound significance of abstaining from stealing. Starting from the small details of daily life, we will uncover how thoughts and actions resonate, leading to a life of purity and blessings. Please join me as we step into this gateway of wondrous truth. 1. Righteous eating as medicine, harmonizing body and awakening wisdom. The Buddha taught us the 5 contemplations on eating, viewing food as medicine to heal the body's exhaustion. The body's needs cannot be fully met by mere overeating. A pure vegetarian diet, taken to 8/10 fullness, combined with diligent effort, activates the body's miraculous processes. For example, macrophages can transform waste into treasure, an extraordinary gift bestowed upon all beings by nature. However, if we disregard our physical and mental well-being, indulging only in greed and clinging to pleasures, these arise due to deeply ingrained habitual tendencies. 2. The frequency of cause and effect. A thought arises, retribution follows. Why is this so? Because everything operates on a frequency. A single thought ripples outward like a wave, and retribution follows in its wake. Whatever you curse others with, you yourself become. This is the mirror of cause and effect. The Shurangama Sutra states, 10 habitual causes lead to 6 intersecting retributions. Even bodhisattvas fear such consequences. How much more should we ordinary beings? The law of cause and effect can be distilled into 3 principles. First, the seed and its fruit are identical. What you sow, you reap. Second, plant a single seed, and you harvest a multitude. Small causes yield great effects. Third, sow now, reap in the future. This is the universal law. Thought after thought resonates, shaping our destiny. 3. Abstaining from stealing. Attaining the 10 trustworthy dharmas. Going further, the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds declares, if one abstains from stealing, one attains 10 trustworthy dharmas. First, by not harming sentient beings' resources through abstaining from stealing, your own wealth flourishes, untouchable by kings, thieves, water, fire, or unworthy heirs. Second, by being trustworthy through abstaining from stealing, many come to cherish you, delighting in your presence. Third, by not infringing upon others through abstaining from stealing, others do not oppress you, granting you peace and stability. Fourth, with lofty character from abstaining from stealing, you are praised in all 10 directions, your good name spreading far. Fifth, by not harming others through abstaining from stealing, you live free from worry about harm, at ease in heart and mind. Sixth, by not harming others' wealth through abstaining from stealing, your virtuous reputation circulates, earning respect. Seventh, by not acting with a guilty conscience through abstaining from stealing, you stand among others fearlessly, calm and composed. Eighth, by not harming sentient beings' resources through abstaining from stealing, your own wealth, life, appearance, strength, peace, and eloquence remain flawless. Ninth, by understanding the profound truth through abstaining from stealing, you constantly harbor the intent to give, delighting in generosity. 10th, through the frequency of abstaining from stealing, at life's end you ascend to the heavens, reaping great blessings. These 10 merits arise from abstaining from stealing. When the frequency aligns, life naturally manifests a beautiful resonance. 4. dedicating to Bodhi, ultimate liberation. If these merits are dedicated to Anuttara Samyak Sambodhi, then in the future, upon attaining Buddhahood, you will realize the pure wisdom of great awakening. Conclusion: cause and effect as a clear mirror, the righteous path of practice. Dear Dharma friends, cause and effect is like a clear mirror, reflecting good and evil. Abstaining from stealing is like a pure spring, nourishing life. May we take this law as our teacher, uphold the virtue of discipline as our foundation, diligently progress day by day, and purify ourselves step by step, together realizing the unsurpassed path to awakening. Amitabha. With gratitude to all for learning together.